Yeah, listen to me carefully. These hoes are scared of me, don't wanna be compared to me. Failure is rare to me, your man pull up my chair for me. He wanna marry me, my haters give me clarity and popularity. I'm still
1 year later, sis, we wanna know, how's this hair holding up? Is it worth our coin? Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, Milano Beauty. I did just literally finish filming this hair and this makeup, so if you're interested in checking out to see how I got this look, feel free to check out my channel. Okay, so let's get into the specs on this hair, shall we? So I ordered the 3-bundle deal from Hair Addict online, the Virgin Indian Wavy, on October 5th of 2018. Today is November 4th, 2019. Literally a year and like a month ago, I ordered this hair. I did get 3 bundles. The first bundle I got is a 14-16. The second 2 bundles are both an 18-20 inch. Since these are virgin hair, they don't come in like specific lengths. They kind of give you a range of like 14-16 or 16-18 or 18-20. So that's kind of how the lengths work with this hair. So my subtotal was $336. I did have a fall coupon for like 35 bucks. So that knocked it down, but then I was in a rush, I remember, to get my hair done for my hair appointment. So I went ahead and I paid for like the express, like overnight shipping, which was like 25 bucks. My final total was $326.98. Don't mind me if I am looking down. I have some notes here that I just want to get all the information correct. I ordered on October 5th and I received the hair on October 22nd. So almost a month it took to get this hair. It does specify on the website that there is a long processing time. So it's just something that you have to keep in mind when you're ordering from this company, is if you are in a time crunch, it may not work out. So definitely plan in advance and save your coin, because this hair, honey, this hair ain't no joke. All right, so that's all the specifics about what I ordered, when it came, etc. Upon receiving the hair, I will actually go ahead and just insert in some clips because I think I kept them from way long ago. As you can see, the hair came shiny. It had no smell. It came soft. It had a beautiful natural texture. It was full from root to tip. And the weft construction was really high quality. Construction itself, it was clean, it was high quality, but it was thick. And I've had multiple stylists have issues with my installation because I've had this hair for a year. So this hair is, it's my 4th install with this hair, okay? So this hair has seen better days. It still looks amazing, but I have had some stylists that had issues with folding over the edges of the track because it's super duper thick. The beard hairs on the weft are quite large, but other than that, the hair was literally so pretty and I was so excited to get it installed. 1 year later, sis, we wanna know, how's this hair holding up? Is it worth our coin? I broke it down into a few major categories of issues that we typically run across when wearing weft, weave, extensions, whatever you want to call it. Shedding. This hair has super minimal shedding. I have had not one issue with that. I will occasionally get a strand of hair here or there while I'm brushing it, detangling it, washing it, whatever, but it is not excessive. It's not really been on my radar at all. So shedding definitely is minimal. Tangling. Super minimal issues with tangling. This is a natural wavy texture. I wouldn't necessarily consider this curly though at all. This is a wavy texture. So you don't have many issues with tangling or matting or any of that kind of stuff. It's really, really easygoing hair. All right, let's get into styling ability. Is this hair straighten well? Does this hair hold a curl? Is it, is it a bump on a log? Like, does it actually do something? Yes, honey, this hair will style. Check out the styling vid on my channel right now. It styles gorgeous, it straightens, it curls. One thing that I do really enjoy about this particular hair is that it reacts like real hair. Since it's virgin Indian hair, it's real. It's completely unprocessed. It's not chemically touched. anything like that. So it is real hair, and so therefore it reacts like real hair. Frizziness. So like everything else, I've had super minimal issues. If it is a little humid, it might swell a little bit. It doesn't completely like poof frizz out. It doesn't just instantly drop all your curl or your style. It does a really good job about holding on to whatever style you have in it, even without like hairspray or any kind of styling gel or anything like that. These curls will last me at least 3 days. Easy. Super duper low maintenance, you guys. This is by far the best hair I have ever had in my head. Only things I've really ever used in this hair regularly is just some regular old coconut oil. And this is my styling heat protectant spray by Ion. This is it. That is pretty much it on this review, guys. I love this hair. I highly recommend this hair. Honestly, it's stunning. I know that there have been some rumors about Hair Addict Online shutting down. I don't know if that's true or not. I really hope it's not, because I do love this brand oh so much. But well, thank you guys so much for watching. I really appreciate it. If you're new, please consider subscribing, and if you did enjoy the video, please give me a thumbs up. I think that's it. I will just see you guys in the next video.